Lean is essentially a language which acts as a translator between writer and computer. The writer writes a proof or a math expression, which can be as simple as 2 plus 2 equals 4, using the Lean language. And thus, this is how the computer understands whatever you have written. Based on the expression you have written, which may be true or false, the computer then gives you the instant feedback. This loop allows the writer to recognize their mistakes and gives you opportunities to learn from your mistakes. This is the exact reason I started learning Lean. But despite its usefulness, I don't think many people are using it. The biggest reason is that it has a steep learning curve, which intimidates a lot of people. The purpose of this video, and perhaps future ones, is to make Lean less intimidating for beginners in proofwriting who don't have much background in coding. So, without wasting any time, let's dive into the first episode: terms and types. In Lean, there is a rule: every expression or term is associated with a certain type. For example, the number 5 is associated with which type? You might say the number 5 is of naturals, whole, rationals, reals, and of complex types. But does the Lean supports multiple types for a single term? Instead of guessing, why not we check in the Lean itself? Now I am assuming you have already installed Lean, Git, VS Code, and the VS Code extension for the Lean. Let's create a new folder which will store all the Lean files we will be creating. Go to a place where you want to create the new folder and open the terminal. Write Lake New, and name of the folder can be like YouTube Lean, but you can name it whatever you want. And finally write math and then enter. This will take a tremendous amount of time to load all the necessary things. Also check your internet connection or Wi-Fi. It must be on, otherwise it will not work. Once completed successfully, you can minimize the terminal and see that the folder has been created. Click it and you will see all kinds of files. Do not get intimidated by these files. You will never use most of the files, but do not delete them. Open the VS Code, go to the file option, click the open folder and select the folder we have just created. Click the YouTube link folder and you can see a basic link file. Click it. This triggers something as you can see. Once done, you can see a new section has popped up. The Lean Info View. The Lean Info View is what gives you the instant feedback. Delete the content of the basic Lean file and save it. Rename the basic Lean file to terms underscore and underscore types dot lib. Now we are all set up, but set up to do what? Oh, we wanted to check what is the type of the number 5, right? This can be done by using the hashtag check command. To the right side, you can see 5 colon nat. Here, the nat means natural. This means the number 5 is of the natural type. This is because the number 5 is of the natural type, and the natural type itself belongs to other types, like the whole, rationals, and the reals and the complex. Saying the number 5 is of complex is like saying I live on the planet Earth. You are correct, but not being specific and useful. Okay, but what if I want to use the number 5 as real? You can just define a label and the type attached with constant value like 5. The green color means this is a command. Here, the colon equals to is as same as equals to in mathematics. For the label, you can name it anything, but it's useful to give it a descriptive name, right? How about the 5 real? Let's complete the sentence. You can see a red squiggly line, which means there must be an error. To the right side, it says unknown identifier real. It means the link does not know what is real. Let him know. To let him know, we must input the real numbers. Whenever we import anything, we must keep it at the top of the code. In Lean, the real numbers are found in the MATLAB library. This library contains most of the mathematics the humans have ever discovered. Trust me, you don't need to import for every type. Okay, so to the right side, you can see something is loading. The real numbers are loading. Once it is done, you no longer see any red squiggles. Here the 5 real is as same as 5 of the real type. To verify if it is true or false, let's check the type of the 5 real, okay? Again using the hashtag check command. To the right side, you can see the 5 real is of the real type, just as what we have defined. But why stop here? Let's define the number 5 as integer. Check its type. Define the number 5 as rational and also check its type. Shall we also try the complex? Wait, there's a red squiggly line on the complex, which means we need to first import it at the top of the code. Once the complex type is loaded, we check the type of the 5 complex, which must be of the complex type. In the next video, we will start functions. But before ending this video, I want you to think about 2 functions which I'm giving you right now. Try these functions in your VS Code and try to think about how these functions are behaving. No matter if you get it or not, we will start functions from scratch in the next video.